gonna taste the best donuts in Arizona.
Yeah.
Woo! All right. Okay, girls, picking up donuts. You want a blue one with sprinkles, Reese?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take a cinnamon.
Sure, which one you want?
Like this one.
The cinnamon and sugar
like
twisted?
that.
Ooh, that looks good too. Should we try one of the maple with bacon? You want to try it, Reese? The maple with bacon on it?
That looks so gross.
It looks gross? I bet you're going to like it actually. Let's do one. Let's try
You
it.
do the try.
I don't want to try it.
You want to try it? Okay, I'll try it.
Okay.
Do you want the little cake donut?
Chocolate.
The cake donut with chocolate sprinkles on it? Yeah. Yep. Thank you. Joby, what else are you gonna do? What else are you gonna do? We'll do a chocolate iced donut.
How did I go land on the ground?
That was crazy. You're crazy. You don't want to try one with lemon on the inside? I bet you'd actually like it.
No, I don't want it.
Let's try it.
No!
Come on. What are these ones? Yeah, we'll do a lemon cream one. I bet you'll actually really like it. One more. Which one are you gonna try?
I'm probably gonna take.
Try one you've never tried before. Are you nervous? What are you gonna try?
This bad boy right there.
A cinnamon swirl thing? Okay. Teamwork carrying out the donut.
We're like, oh, we yo,
You're crazy.
Oreo, Oreo, Oreo.
Which one do you like the most out of all donuts?
I like the one it's the side is sprinkles.
I say the cinnamon twist.
All right, let's give them a look. Oh my goodness, they look beautiful. Look at those donuts. So we got a bunch of different kinds. We got the blue with sprinkles. We
Yeah.
got the maple and bacon.
So gross.
It looks so gross. We got a powdered donut with lemon filling on the inside. We've got a cinnamon roll donut. We've got a crumb donut, and we actually got two because Mommy and Daddy really like those. We've got a sour cream donut, which is this cool guy right here. We've got a Bavarian cream, which is like custard on the inside. We've got a cinnamon and sugar one right here.
We got a chocolate.
Just a plain old maple donut here. A chocolate cake donut with chocolate sprinkles and a chocolate iced
and another
donut.
chocolate.
Who is pumped for our donut taste? Daddy is gonna choose
Bacon.
which one Jovi's gonna try first, and she has to guess which one it is. Okay, ready? Oh, no. What is it, Joe?
Okay.
What do you think it is, Joe? What flavor are you feeling?
Chocolate.
Okay. What else was on there? What clues?
It tasted like wrinkles.
Wrinkles?
Well, like sugar, right? But
Sprinkles?
yeah.
So the chocolate cake with sprinkles?
Yeah.
Woo! You got it right!
My turn.
Hey, Daddy, what are we gonna do for Reese? Oh man. What are you gonna do? Close your eyes, Reese. Take a bite. Take a bite. Taste it. No, you taste it. What do you
The
taste?
bacon.
She already knew. What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah.
It's good. You like bacon and you like maple syrup, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, it's Jovi's turn again. What are you gonna do, Joe? Oh man. Shh.
I felt like there was powdered sugar on that.
Oh, you're right. Did you get any of the inside?
I think she needs another bite.
You like that, Jovi?
Oh, that just gave it away. It's lemon.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Thumbs
My
up?
turn.
Okay, Reese. Second donut. Let's see if you can guess it.
big bite.
The blue donut.
You knew it was how did you know it was the blue donut?
Because it has sprinkles.
It has, you're right, Reese. That's really good. What do you think about the blue donut? Is it good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Awesome.
No?
All right, Jovi's third donut. Let's see if she can figure it out. Put your head down. You're trying to sneak a peek, girl.
No, I'm not closing my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
Do you like it or does it gross?
No. No.
Do you need some juice?
Yes, I need some juice.
You don't know what it is?
Is it not juice?
It is sour.
Mmm. Do you remember what it's called?
It felt weird. Yes, sour cream.
Oh, you got it. Okay, so from a 1 to a 10, 10 being the best, what was it?
That was a 0.
Oh, a 0? Ooh, harsh critic over here. I think it's because you actually don't like sour cream. Okay, Reese is on to her donut. Which one is it gonna be? Okay. That's so generous, Dad. Hey! You little cheater.
That one.
Do you know what it's called? What's it called?
Sprinkling.
Sprinkling? It's called a crumb donut.
Crumb donut.
Do you like it? Hey, Daddy's picking a donut.
What is this? What is this?
What does it taste like?
Oh no, don't tell me this. No, no. The makeup big what it was? The makeup big what it was? The makeup big what it was?
You're partially right.
Maple Long John.
It's the maple
Oh.
long john.
That thing.
That beautiful little
My
log
turn.
right there.
Daddy's
Is that good? What do you think about that one?
That was pretty okay. I thought it was like about like maybe a 5. That was okay.
It was okay. All right, Reese. On to your donut. Sharing is caring. What's it gonna be? Stop cheating! What is it?
The chocolate donut.
The chocolate with what in it?
Chocolate in it.
No, it's called Bavarian. They call them a Boston cream. It's like custard. They call it custard.
Got a little bit on your lip here.
Are you gonna choose one, Reese? Choose one that she hasn't had one yet. Okay.
What is this? Oh yeah, I tasted that. It's cinnamon something.
Cinnamon what?
Swirl?
Yeah, cinnamon roll. Nice, Jovi. You're like an expert
Jovi,
taste
it's
tester.
this one.
Do you like that one? What do you think?
Yeah.
Hey, Jovi.
I love this one.
The cinnamon one.
What? You already figured it out?
You got the top one. Which one?
It was this one, baby.
Oh yeah.
The cinnamon and sugar twist. Ooh, those are so good.
I'll give it a 10
You give it a 10?
because it's healthy for you.
Yeah, I don't know about any of these things being healthy for you, but they're delicious, right?
I would probably say a bacon's healthy. So.
I think it's good. Gives you
I'll
some
do it to
protein.
her.
Okay, Reese.
No. No. Don't tell me what it is. Maple bacon?
Yes, it was a maple bacon.
Yeah, it
That tastes horrible.
Do you really think it's that bad?
is. 1, you give it a 1, that's a sad one.
That's a sad one. Okay, Jovi's gonna feed some to Reese.
Gosh.
Wait, not cinnamon donut. Wait, taste the inside.
me.
This one.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
Charlie, you bit my finger.
There's like a little dent mark now.
Where? Let's see it. Oh my gosh, you do have a dent.
Oh. There, Charlie, you bit me.
Okay, guys, what was your favorite donut?
This one.
Hold it up, please.
I'm gonna eat it.
All right, you eat it. So happy. You get to eat one that's not disgusting.
Mom, that's delicious right there. Pure sugar.
Tiny Tube Kids.
Subscribe down below. Bye.
We love you, Bosa Donuts. Tiny Tube Kids.
Subscribe and like below.